Have you been convicted of a felony and want to get it eradicated from your criminal record? It's no secret that having a felony on your criminal record can have lifelong effects on your day-to-day life, making it hard to live a normal life. Depending on your state, charge type, amount of time since your felony charge, and other factors, you won't be able to vote, own a firearm, or in some cases even travel. But that's not to say that it has to be this way forever. In today's video, we're going to cover a procedure known as felony expungement. Felony expungement is the process of having your felony charges erased from your criminal record, allowing you to once again regain functionality as a member of society. It will also help in getting jobs, regaining your voting and firearms rights, and much more. If you like the sound of that, stay tuned to find out how this process works, who is eligible, and what steps are necessary for you to have your felonies expunged. But before we get to it, in case you're new to the channel, Felon Ops is dedicated to helping felons as well as business-minded individuals obtain a sense of purpose and get their lives headed back in the right direction. We cover a wide range of business and side income ideas as well as highlight those who have overcome barriers just like yours. If this sounds like something that you'd be interested in, please feel free to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on all future videos. Just as a reminder, any information found within any of my content, or any other YouTuber's content for that matter, should never be considered sound legal advice. If you are facing legal issues and need help, always consult an established attorney who practices in the area of your situation. Without further ado, let's get started. Understanding felony expungement. Felony expungement is a legal process where someone's criminal record, especially felony convictions, gets wiped or sealed from public eyes. This basically erases the conviction from their record, giving them a fresh start without the baggage or legal consequences of a felony. Laws and how this works can differ by where you are, but it generally lets eligible folks legally say they haven't been convicted, opening doors for jobs, housing, and more. History and development. The idea of felony expungement has changed over time, shaped by shifts in how we do justice and legal updates in different places. There's no one start button for expungement everywhere, but it's grown over years of legal reforms. In the US, for example, the push to let people clean their records started picking up speed in the late 1900s and has kept evolving since. States started seeing how important it was to help folks rehabilitate and reintegrate, setting up rules and steps for who can clear their records. Key players. Expungement didn't just happen. It took lawmakers, advocates, and courts working together. Legislators wrote the rules that made expungement possible, while groups fighting for fair laws pushed for these changes. They help lawmakers get it right, give legal aid to folks applying, and push for expungement to be fair and easy to get. Courts decide how these rules play out, deciding who gets to clear their name. Plus, communities backing second chances have pushed for these laws to get stronger. Who can get it? Eligibility to expunge a felony can change a lot based on where you are and what the rules are. Normally, you need to show what your conviction was for, how long ago it was, and that you've turned things around since. Each place might have extra stuff you need to do to qualify. Talking to a lawyer who knows this stuff is key to knowing if you can apply and how to do it right. Starting out, to kick off expungement, you usually need to chat with a lawyer who knows their way around criminal law and expungements. They'll help you figure out if you can apply, get the right papers together, fill out forms, and even stand up for you in court if it comes to that. Having a lawyer means you've got someone who knows how to work the system and get you the best shot at getting your record cleared. How it works. Getting a felony off your record isn't just a snap. It's a series of steps. Talk to a lawyer. Get the lowdown on what you need to do and what's needed where you live. Collect papers. Round up everything from court records to proof you've done your time. Fill out forms. Make sure you've filled in all the blanks on the expungement forms. File it. Send your request to the right court or agency to get things started. Court date, maybe show up if you need to, and let your lawyer make the case for you. Tell the right people. Make sure the folks who keep records know what's up. Check in. Keep tabs on things to make sure your record's really been cleared. How long it takes. How fast you can get your record wiped depends on where you are, what your case is like, and how busy the courts are. Could be a few months or over a year from start to finish. Talking to a lawyer will give you a better idea of what to expect based on where you are and how things are going. Well, that wraps up the process of felony expungement. If you're interested in having your felonies expunged, remember to consult an attorney who is knowledgeable and experienced in this process. As a felon myself, I know firsthand how frustrating a felony conviction can be. I also realize how hard it is to adapt to learning new things that you have to do, things that you have to avoid, and things that you can do to make things better. There is a massive lack of help out there for people who need to learn the ropes of their new lives. I really, from the bottom of my heart, just want to say thank you for watching. I really want to keep making videos like this, and I look forward to hearing from you all as we go. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to stay up to date on all future videos. That stuff really helps a growing channel. I cannot thank you guys enough. With that said, I hope to see you soon. Until next time, see ya.